一般呢，就是说这个部分是肩，这个部分是肚，这个部分是脚。
Now the body is finished, she works on the spouts and handles. San, she's explaining 3 different types of spouts, different angles that they would project off the teapot, and she's working on the handles. Further manipulation of the spout, working on the pouring end and the end that attaches to the body. Cutting off the end that attaches to the body and positioning it on the body. Working the body further with a piece of bamboo, a profile rib that she's made. After the body is all completed, she will add a collar, a coil, or a hand-built piece on top for the gallery area where the lid sits. She's showing that gallery area on this piece. And a profile rib used to delineate the form between the neck of the lid area and the shoulder of the teapot itself. Here she's using a buffalo horn that's been soaked in water to burnish that transition there. And then she'll use another larger piece of buffalo horn, and it's flexible when it's in the water, and it's very smooth, so it burnishes the surface and polishes the surface of that teapot body. Chop.
是我的英语很乱讲。
没关系，讲他能懂就是。
乱讲英语。这样呢，把这部分就汤掉了。
That place used to be a steam, so we used to
Using her knife across the top of the teapot, she can position the spout so it's right at the level she wants it. Marking around the spout will tell her where she's going to cut the holes for the strainer area. Here she's cutting the holes for the strainer in the teapot. And that will be directly behind the spout. Now she's adding slip to the spout. With some pressure, now she's attaching the spout. And again, she'll use her metal knife across the top to slightly position that spout, see where its center is. As she's eyeballing the position of the handle, Getting ready to attach the handle by adding slip to that. She'll use the same technique of using her metal knife across the top to line that spout and handle up so they're directly behind or in front of one another.
细度点。This kind of clay you can add, remove to shape you what you want.
上次还正好做相亲，搞了整那个口盖，都是做一个。跑，一般人跑不起来，害怕。
Zhou Gui Zhen will continue to work on the spout and handle area until she refines it, and then she will work on the lid. In part 2 of this presentation, Yixing teapot demonstration, you will see Su Long work on the lid area. Hope you've enjoyed Miss Zhou Gui Zhen's demonstration, and look forward to part 2 by Su Long.